woke up, hair a mess like a lion in a dress. Tried the cheap stuff, but it caused me more stress. Then I saw the light, Dyson shining bright. Now my morning starts so easy and my hair feels right. With my Dyson in my hand, I'm a hair queen on demand. No more frizz, no more burns, silky smooth at every turn. Click the link and you will see what this magic does for me. Supersonic, it's iconic, beauty tech that sets you free. No more guessing heat or blast, neural tech learns so fast.